Hi guys, I know that you wanna see how McDonald's 2008 Master Monkey, you know, how it looks like the inside. So this one, here's how it looks like inside. So this arm right here has a gear here which makes the bamboo thing spin. Um, and you got it's got another another two gears, and there is a spring. And oh yeah, and the reason why I I've, I've taken this Master Monkey McDonald's Happy Meal toy apart is because it has a issue with this arm. Yeah, it's, and here's how you yeah, has a issue spinning. I wanna make it spin more than this. And annoying. Here's the this gear here. Think it's I think this gear is somewhat loose, and I think that might be why the this thing cannot spin as much. Shouldn't spin as much. But when I move it without it, it spins just fine. It's just the gear. And oh yeah, and I might. And I don't know if you. I don't know if you guys can see that. And looks kinda looks like that's a little bit. The spring's a little bit rusted. So I would be. And so I would be trying to clean the rust on this spring. So yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I think that's the forward cover, and here's the back cover from it. but, but, but I don't know if this is gonna be interesting. Just this video. I don't know if this video is gonna be interesting for you guys, but I'm making this video is because I wanna show how how this Master Monkey toy looks like in the inside. So this is literally a little bit rusted off, no? I think is the one that needs the arms to be tighter to be posed, so I can pose them in any position I want. You know, in both of these I would be trying to both of those arms I might have to to, to fix them to get them tighter with using this super bonder, which I think I've used it at a few of my stuff, and this does work pretty well. So yeah, guys, I think I might have to. Uh, so yeah, guys. I think this is the video before repairing this Master Monkey toy from McDonald's 2008. So yeah. Mm, Thank you, Ano. Oh yeah, and when I show one more thing about the Master Monkey toy, which I'm gonna repair, which I might It's the thing between the arms. I don't think that about the arms, the gear on this one, and the super bonder. I might have to use the super bonder to um, to oh yeah oh yeah can't this thing focus. There we go. I don't know. I think that might be why the arms really loose. Yeah, I think it's just one of the one of the sides is I don't know, has a crack in it, so I think that might be why the I think that might be why the gear does this. Yeah, and it doesn't spin right. Doesn't spin as much. So that's why. So that's why I will be trying to get this toy repair. And I mean, I would try to get this toy fixed, guys. So that and I'm gonna make a video about showing him how it works after repair. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Um, Drop a like, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and write a comment below this video. And bye. I don't know. And thank you guys for watching. And bye. So, so I might have to put the gear back on back on the sign and put all this in this bag. So yeah. So yeah. Put all those in this bag.